Hey everyone. When we have slow or lagging charts, delayed indicators, or other issues on Tradingview, it can be really frustrating. In this tutorial, we'll share simple tips to speed up our Tradingview experience. We'll look at easy ways to reduce lag and keep trading smooth. Whether we're adjusting settings, managing indicators, or changing browser options, we'll walk through it together so we can focus on trading instead of waiting for charts to load. Lag on Tradingview usually comes from slow internet, high server traffic, complex charts, too many indicators, or not enough device resources. Some quick things we can do are reload the chart, restart the browser, close unused tabs, and turn off browser extensions. For better performance, we can use the desktop app, clear the cache, disable hardware acceleration, and make sure only one session is open. Now, let's go through these steps together. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. Once we are on the page, log into your account. Now we'll go to charts as an example. To access the charts, go to the top of the page where we can see the products. Under products, we'll find supercharged. Let's go to supercharge as an example for the lagging problem. If we have trouble logging in or the chart is not showing properly, we may notice a delay. The first thing to try is restarting the browser. After this, some issues may be fixed, but if it's still lagging, we can try a different device. Now let's clear the browser cache. For example, we go to Settings. Go to Settings Privacy and Security. In here, clear the browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Just click this from the beginning. Another thing we can do is remove some indicators. Remove all the indicators that are being used. Go to the lower part of the toolbar. In the lower part, we can see an option to delete the indicators. We can remove unnecessary drawings and indicators. This will help the chart load faster. Also, we can improve the charts by setting the time to an hour or a second. This will help the chart load faster, but it will only load minimal graphics and activities in the market. Another tip to improve the chart is to go to Extensions. Here we can find the extensions and settings. Remove the unnecessary extensions that are not being used. Another useful tip to improve loading charts is to subscribe and upgrade the program. The premium plan has advantages, especially when using system charts in the market. Now for the last step, if there is a connection problem, we should go to the router or modem and restart or reset the modem. After that, reconnect to the Wi-Fi. This should fix the issue. By following these steps, such as optimizing chart settings, reducing unnecessary indicators, clearing our bar structures, and using a faster connection, we should notice a smoother and faster trading experience.